Hi, this is Gloria from Resource Connect Asia. We're at the 2025 Tribeca Future Facing Commodity Conference in Singapore. And today I'm with Chris. Chris is going to present, also have a booth here at this conference. So I've got a precious time when Chris is available. Let you talk about what we are, a couple of high points of the conference presentation. You are presenting tomorrow. So what might be the highlight of your presentation?
Yeah, I guess, Gloria, thanks for having the discussion. But Estrella is a junior explorer based in Western Australia, but our key concession areas are in Timor-Leste, and that's our point of difference. We're actually a first mover into Timor. We are the very first company to ever go into the country. We have concessions 1, 2 and 3, and our targeted mineral is manganese, used for obviously steel manufacturing, but more importantly, the emerging EV space and the critical mineral space for LMFP batteries, which is becoming and looking like the standard battery for EV vehicles. We are now the largest concession holder with almost 700 square kilometres in Timor-Leste, and that is with the National Mining Company as our joint venture partner, and they've been very, very strong, supportive partners, and so has the statutory bodies and government of Timor-Leste to introduce exploration and mining development of the country. So here we are in the northern part of Timor-Leste with our concession areas. We've made some really interesting discoveries of these manganese prospects, and we'll be looking at drilling for the very first time in the whole country. There hasn't been an exploration hole drilled for economic minerals in the country ever. Estrella Resources, as a first mover into the country, will be drilling RC and diamond holes into Timor-Leste looking for manganese. We're already seeing very high grade manganese, some of the highest grade manganese in the world, with very low deleterious elements. We'll be the very first company to be drilling for this product in Timor-Leste. And I can tell you it's extremely exciting to be able to actually see outcropping high grade manganese. This material here, outcropping at surface, is 50 to 55% manganese. There is no processing. All we are going to do is define the resource, then we'll mine it and ship it to market. With a bulk commodity like manganese, the most critical thing is logistics. And the country has built out a logistics chain with an excellent road transport system. They have built out a 2-lane highway, bitumen highway, in the northern section of the country, which connects our concessions. The other interesting part is we have a deep water port that we can load the manganese on to go to market. And the markets are pretty deep for manganese. We're looking at Japan, South Korea, China, and we're right in the middle of Asia, with Timor-Leste sitting in the middle of Asia. This is such an exciting time to be involved in such a place. And I can assure you, when we put the first drill holes into 50-55% manganese, you are going to see a significant re-rating of the company. I'm extremely excited to see what happens. The drill rig will be on the ship in the next few days. We'll be in Timor and landed within the next 2 weeks. And as I said, this exploration program will be the very first in the country, and I would only assume it will get an enormous amount of interest. But we're very excited about moving into Timor-Leste. So I do appreciate taking the time to talk to you and your listeners, and I think there's one message I can give to you: go Estrella.
Excellent. And also this whole conference is about connecting Australian company and the Southeast Asia to explore the potential. And I'm pretty sure East Timor government will very appreciate have Australian company bring the expertise into the country, help them to develop the resources.
Yeah, they absolutely are very supportive. They selected us as an Australian company because we do have the capabilities to explore and to discover. I've been involved in resource companies and exploring globally for the past 25 years. Previous to that, I was raising capital for junior mining companies. This is no doubt some of the best exploration ground I've seen in my lifetime. You certainly don't get to see outcropping mineralisation of such high quality very often. And as I said, because we're first mover, we have the first opportunities in the country. So people investing in Estrella, they're at the pointy end of the spear, and what could potentially happen from that is truly phenomenal. Could be a phenomenal outcome.
That's fantastic. I also see the board member, and also the whole point of this interview is bring you closer to the potential investors who love to see you first before they start looking at the company. And that's really good. We have a quite diverse board, an experienced board as well.
We have got a very strong board. and technical team. Myself and Les have been involved in mining mineral companies and development companies for, as I said, for the past 25 years. I've been involved in mine development, underground gold developments back in Western Australia, nickel exploration and mine development in WA. Les was involved in bulk commodities in Indonesia with some major coal operations. And these two chaps between them probably have 60 years of geological experience in looking for minerals or economic minerals. Steve Warner is our head of exploration, and Bo is the head of our Timorese management. And we have an internal team in Timor now. We have some 5 Timorese nationals working for us and getting across the country. This is me with Shanana Guzmao. Everybody knows Shanana. He's the most revered man in Timor. He actually awarded me concessions 1, 2 and 3. It was such an honour.
It's a milestone for them too.
And this is our Timorese guys. We've got geologists, we've got geophysicists, and we've got community liaison people, because community is a big part of what we do up there as well. We can make such a difference being a mining company in a region that's quite poor. The outcomes for us, if we're successful, will be just fantastic for the country and the country of Timor. So as I said, we're well supported by the government moving forward, and we're so excited to get there and drill in the next few weeks.
What a unique story. All the best for your presentation tomorrow. And if you need any help with the on-site engagement, please let us know.
Thanks, Gloria.
Yeah,
Much
thank you so
appreciated.
much.